It Ends With Us is a powerful and thought-provoking novel by Colleen Hoover that explores the complexities of love, family, and domestic violence. The story revolves around Lily Bloom, a young woman who is overcome a difficult childhood to build a successful career and start a new life in Boston. Lily meets Ryle Kincaid, a charming and successful neurosurgeon, and the two quickly fall in love. However, as their relationship progresses, Lily discovers that Ryle has a dark side and struggles with violent outbursts. Lily also finds herself drawn to her first love, Atlas Corrigan, who reappears in her life after years of absence. Hoover skillfully weaves together Lily's past and present, revealing the trauma she has experienced and the ways in which they have shaped her relationships and her understanding of love. The novel is a nuanced exploration of the complex dynamics of abuse and the difficult choices that survivors must make in order to protect themselves and their loved ones. One of the strengths of It Ends With Us is its realistic and empathetic portrayal of both abusers and survivors. Hoover avoids simplistic stereotypes and instead offers a nuanced portrayal of the ways in which abuse can be perpetuated and perpetuated. The novel also highlights the importance of community support and intervention in preventing and addressing domestic violence. Overall, It Ends With Us is a powerful and thought-provoking novel that tackles a difficult topic with sensitivity and insight. Hoover's writing is engaging and emotionally resonant, and the story will stay with readers long after they turn the final page. I would highly recommend this novel to anyone looking for a compelling and thought-provoking read. Subscribe